Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, welcome to Finance and Banking class. I am Nasir Farooq, lecturer at Greenfield School and College. Today, I am going to discuss the sources of finance. It is an important chapter for the student class 9 and class 10. This is my third lectures. Uh, First lectures and second lectures. I am describe the sources of finance, short-term sources of finance and mid-term sources of finance. And organizations and financial managers needs the different sources of finance: short-term finance, mid-term finance, and long-term finance. Today, I would like to describe the long-term finance. Long-term finance, there are two kinds of finance. One is internal sources of finance. The another topic is external source of finance. Internal sources of finance, most important sources, basically the ownership of the company, the own capitals of the company. The another sources is share or debenture. This is long term finance, share or debentures. When a public or private limited companies can collect money by issuing share in the share market. This is most important external sources internal sources of finance. External sources of finance, where need at first we have to know about when a company's external sources finance. When a company's manager, when a owner of the companies cannot able to meet the within external sources of internal sources of finance, then they used the external sources of finance, or they collected money from the external sources of finance. There are advantages and disadvantages by collecting external sources of finance. uh, Here there are the most important advantages: the tax bear. uh, the government apply doesn't apply on tax on loan. For these reasons, when companies collected money from external sources and make profit, from those profits the government doesn't allow or impressed tax. For these reasons, a company's manager always collected money from uh, external sources for the purchase of land, buildings, and any others materials, long-term materials. So, long-term farm is usually used to acquire fixed asset like land, building seats. We know that land and building seats, it's also long-term finance. At first, we have to know what is long-term finance. Long-term finance basically like of finance who is the limitations of time is minimum 5 years and maximum unlimited times. It's called long-term finance. uh, Due to long-term finance, a company purchases land, its own kinds of long-term finance, machines, buildings, any others equipment which carry a long times, which service as a long times. It's called long-term finance. Today, I am describe the some important long-term sources. Please, student, attention in my lectures. If you attentions carefully, if you uh, if you understand or if you realizing in my lectures, you will be able to answer all of the questions. Which questions include the SSC exams from this chapter. This is today's lecture's most important topics is loan. Here the loan. Another topic is debentures. Another topic is leasing. This is most popular topics for from this chapters. Another important topics I have discussed. I am describing now. International Monetary Fund (IFM). Another is the considering the factors for selecting the sources. So, dear student, now I am describing about the loan. What is loan? Loan is the total capitals of debt of external sources. It's called loan. The another importance concept about loan. Generally, any organizations take long-term loan, long-term loan securities against securities. We know that when a companies take loan, they also preserve or they also submit and securities. Uh, for these reasons, any organizations takes long-term loan against securities to bear the expense of uh, equipment equipment, machines, buildings, land aids. Before sanctioning loan, I mean when a company sanctions loan, when before sanctioning long-term loan, banks analyze difference in formations life increasing informations like income of the company's goodwill. This is most important topics for sanctioning a loan. When a company's manager sanctions when a bank or any financial institution sanctioning a loan for a business organizations, they also analyzed the goodwill, curriculums, co-curriculums, and before the current year's activities of a companies, all of the sectors in a companies analyzed it. When the companies when a bank or financial institutions assumptions understand the goodwills and good side is of a companies, then they allow to loan for long term loan for a companies. By this way, a company collected money from external sources just likes of loan. The another most important topics is debentures. The debenture is same of the loan, but there is some difference. Debenture loan is the total capitals, but debentures by issuing the small part of equal papers, a companies collected money from external sources. The debentures just likes of shares. Whenever a company's share is the external sources of a companies, but debentures is not external sources of companies. Share also get as a dividend. Also they are the share of the profit of the companies, but debentures also will be get a certain rate of interest. Debentures not the actual owners or not owner of the companies. So in case of debentures, fund is collected through selling the long amount of loan. After dividing it into small functions, it is an alternative to shares. But debentures holders are bound to pay fixed rate of interest, which is kept mentions in debentures. This is the most important characters of a debentures. Debentures are purchased the all of the peoples who invest and who wants to get a certain rate of interest. The another most important topics is the leasings. I hope all of the student and you will be careful about these topics, and this is most important topics. Every year the creative questions are common from this chapter. Leasing in an emerging method of long-term financing. If an organization's expensive machines, equipment, uh, uh, transports another aids, then it has to purchase or instant of purchase directly. The organizations can use those things thought lease contract from a leasing companies. In case of this companies, lease doesn't get the ownerships of the companies. This is the main idea of lease. Otherwise, we know that when a company cannot able to purchase a land, suppose a company when companies wants to establish a business organizations, uh, uh, the total land value or total value of to purchase a land is 10 koti. When companies cannot able to provide it at least 10 koti taka, they apply the alternative process to acquiring this lands by they can be use those land by alternative process. Its calls is leasings. Leasings basically a contract forms when companies contract in a organizations or in a landholders. Suppose total value of the land is 10 cotis, but when a company is applying leasings, by applying leasings, the companies can use those land within 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs it is available amount for a companies by contracting and give the certain rate of rent. By giving certain rate of rent, a companies can use those lands. This is the alternative process of leasing. The leasing holders doesn't consider the owner of the companies. After the time being, the leaseholders repay the total assets to the original ownership of the companies. So I hope all of the student you will understand the long term finance, long term sources of long term finance, basically external sources of long term finance. Today I am described the international monetary fund. It is most important organizations to allocate to allow the loan for long terms and short terms in the internationally in basically developing countries and underdeveloping countries. These organizations allowed to loan a minimum rate of interest. IFM basically it is for the total member of this organizations is 189. I mean 189 members. The last members of these organizations, Republican of Nauru. The headquarters of this organizations of this funds is Washington DC, USA, Washington DC. This is the IFM informations. One MCQ questions also given from this from IFM. So dear student, you carefully read about the IFM. The another most important topics is considerations factors for selecting the sources. This is most important topics. The first lectures also I have given some idea about the selecting the sources. We know that there are three sources. One is long term sources, another mid term sources, and third is the short term sources. The first we know that there are three kinds of organizations. One is the sole proprietorships, then another is joint stocks companies, then another is partnership business, partnership organizations. Sole proprietorships and partnership proprietorships, the fund or the finance basically is the own capitals of the companies, own capitals of organizations. Otherwise, they can collect it money from relatives, from nearest persons, in extremely when they need the huge amount of monies. They collected money from external sources, just likes of bank or investment corporations. This is the sole proprietorships and partnership, business finance characters. The another most important topic is joint stocks companies or private limited companies. Joint stocks companies or private limited companies can collected money from different sources. Basically, they collected money from own capitals, and another the popular sources to collected money from from internal sources is by issuing the share. When publicly limited companies uh, uh, issuing the share in the share markets, uh, and they collected a huge amount of monies by selling the shareholders. Also, shareholders provided a certain rate of a dividend. These dividends may be increasing or decreasing in the situation of the companies. Otherwise, a company, when a companies make net profit, they divide it into two part of this net profits. One profits remaining retention ratios. The another part is the declaring the dividend among the shareholders. For these reasons, the shareholders provided money or purchasing the shares in a share company, so in a public limited companies. They wants to get a minimum certain rate of dividend, the certain percentage rate of dividend. So I hope all of the student you'll be understand in my lectures. uh, Next lecture I'll describe the, creative questions and some MCQ questions. This is the critical times to education institutions, not only all of the business organizations, personal lives, and for and any other situations in our countries. You also stay at your home. You don't move anywhere, and uh, save your lives, because of coronavirus is affected in everywhere, and without causes, and any persons affected by the coronavirus. So I pray all of the student you can save, and you also pray namaz and perform roja and any others goodwill activities you will have done. Inshallah, see you later after this time beings, after this critical time. Inshallah, you also pray for me and for my life and for my families. I hope all of the uh, students families keep safe from the coronavirus. No more today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.